Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Studio. In this video I want to tell you guys the method to get student mail and enjoy student benefits. The best thing about this email is that is GitHub supported. Note this is part 2 of my video, so make sure to watch its part 1 if you haven't. Watch the entire video. Follow all steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Studio. In this all the information provided on this channel are for educational purposes only. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. The channel is no way responsible for any misuse of the information. So make sure to part 1 to get method to apply for admission. All data, all details, all links will be available in my website, so make sure to check that out as well. After a day or so, you will receive your confirmation mail. For that, open your browser. Go to bookmarked mail. Here you can see this is our confirmation mail. Here you will find all details. Your student ID will also be available. But you have to wait for almost 24 hours for account activation. For that, make sure to open this link. Then make sure bookmark it. Otherwise you will lose your mail data after 24 hours. So a day has passed. Then open your browser. Go to your bookmarked site. Here go to account validation. Then click on validate. Here put these details. Your PIN is same as last 4 digits of your SSN. After that, submit it. Now accept the terms. Then simply reset your password. After that, here you will find your student mail details. Now go to college site. Here go to login site. Put your details to log in. Here, this is your student portal. Now for your student mail activation. You have to wait for 40 to 60 minutes. Again, go to college site. Log in there. Now if I go to student mail, so your student mail will be in this way. So your student mail in this way. After that, log in using your password. As you can see, this is our Outlook. You can also enjoy Office 365 education as well using this mail. That's for all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Comment if face any issue. Subscribe for more amazing content like these. Peace out.